Oh my gosh. What time is it? Do you know what time it is?
9:30.
Did class start yet?
Yeah, we start at 9.
Oh my god, I could not find a parking space. Like, what is wrong with this campus? Like, oh my god, I like drove, like, my cat threw up this morning. I did not even know, like, what to do with that. And then, oh my god, it's such a disaster. Okay, we'll just start class. Yeah, whatever, just like, give that to me. Come on. Put this stuff and, go set up the still life, get, maybe this vase would look good, or actually, what were we doing last time? I don't remember.
This is a printmaking class.
Oh, I thought I was doing it on a Friday.
Today is Friday.
Oh, okay, well then if it's Friday, then maybe you need to like, here, just take this, and could you just like go to the library and like, get those books on the Albert Dürer engravings, but like not the one that's about the 15th century, get the one that was like recently re-annotated for like the 50th century. Like that one's a really good one, but it's way back, like you have to go, hang on a second, just take that.